Welcome back, guys. We are on the second time slot of our live trading session. Remember, guys, anyone who watches the live stream until the end will get a vacation package. Remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like the video, support the YouTube channel. How are you guys doing today? We're just waiting patiently for a setup. All right, let's see if price pushes to the downside. Or if price spikes to the upside. It's pushing up so far. All right, we got triggered into a sell. That sell got stopped out. We got pushed into a buy setup. We're pushing back to the downside. It's a bit sporadic. Let's see what's going to happen. Is the price going to push up? Is it going to spike down? Where is it going to go? All right, we're pushing up. Okay, we're pulling down again. So overall, I'm expecting this price to move to the upside. Okay, it's not going to move in a perfect way to the upside because I know this is going to be a corrective wave to the upside and it's going to be very messy, right? So it's not going to be one of those perfect waves. It could end up becoming that, but it's highly unlikely, right? So I'm going to expect it to be a bit on the messy side of things. So price is pushing up. Let's see if we have some momentum to continue that move to the upside. All right, so you guys can see that it pushed up and now it's drying off. It's drying up. Let's see what's going to happen. We're pulling down now. And we closed out that buy. We're now triggered into a sell. The sell looks like it's coming in with a lot of pressure. So let's see what's going to happen. Is this going to continue going down or is this going to go right back to the upside? Okay, remember, this is a corrective wave. It could be messy. All right, look at how this is drying up. Let's see what's going to happen here. Remember, guys, hit that subscribe button. All right, so Pratt's back. Welcome back, Pratt. So the price right now is moving very sporadic. I'm expecting this price to move to the upside, but it could be messy and it could be tricky because if a lot of buyers are looking to come into the market, it's not going to go up. They're going to change the formation and bring the price down. Okay? So right now, this could still go back to the upside. All right, so let me just try to draw this in for you. This, what we're looking at is like this, 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 and this could still take off to the upside, okay? And that's exactly what looks like it's happening right now. So remember I said that this could be messy. This is the type of messy that I was talking about. It did get messy. So let's see if this one takes off and pushes aggressively to the upside. Remember, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button as well. Help out the YouTube algorithm. So we're filled to go long. That sell trade got closed out. And speaking about messy, the price is pulling back again. Let's see if we're going to continue moving to the upside. We don't expect it to be clean. It's going to be messy. And remember, guys, it's best not to trade manually between 8:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. So from 10 a.m. Eastern Standard onward, it's better to trade manually, okay? Because this price is very sporadic between 8:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. Who else is with me today? Is it just Pratt? All right, Pratt. I did not check for your email yet. I will check for it. Just give me, after the YouTube live, I'll check for your email. All right, price is pushing down again. You see that sporadic, messy type price action I told you guys about? That is what we're seeing right now. Now, this is where the price is supposed to be moving up, right? This wave here. That's where the price should have been moving up. Now, if the market makers are bringing the price down, it has to mean that there is a lot of buyers in the market, right? So if this price comes down, takes out this level, then there is a great possibility that the move up, they canceled it, and they're going to move down, okay? So they can't really take out this level. This level should not be taken out. If they take out this level, then I'll say they're not going to the upside. They're looking to go down, okay? This could just be a pullback and then they push up. Just pull back, push up, maybe pull back again, push up, right? That's possible. Who else is with me? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Feel free to send me a message in the chat box. Tell me a little bit about yourself, a little bit about your trading. We may still have a lot of buyers in the market, and the market makers may just be looking to trap them. Okay? So right now they're accumulating buyers and sellers in the market. So it's possible they may want to liquidate those buyers. Once they take out the low, it means everyone who bought on this wave is going to be taken out. Definitely once they take out this low, that's it. Because this could just be a bigger corrective formation, right? Where they just go sideways. Where this is W, X, Y, this is X, this is a Z wave. They come, maybe break the low, take it back to the upside once they don't take out this low, right? But once they come take out this low, I think the most that could happen at that point is maybe they come back here and then they drop, right? And then remember, guys, this is also a corrective wave, so it could even get more complicated than that, where they still come take out this low, right? And they still bring the price back to the upside, leaving what a lot of us like to call a double bottom, right? So they could do that as well. And this would be just an extended wave to the upside, and then it's a corrective wave, and they still bring it back down later on. So it could be very tricky. Very, very tricky. Too many possible variations, guys. Brett says, I'm always with you. Thank you, Brett. You guys see how they're trying to respect this low, right? They're trying to show you that they're respecting this low right here. So this right now, based on the possible formations that exist, they could push the price back to the upside, right? And it looks right now like that's what they're doing. But remember, we are in correction, so it could still get extremely messy. A lot of what you're seeing is just going to be inducement. Like they're just going to use these candles to induce you to buy, induce you to sell, just try to confuse you. If this move takes off, then that would mean that they got the buyers out of the market. They did not even have to run the stops. They just jumped out. So we'll see how it goes. So now they're going to go for the ones who tried to sell. And they're going to attempt to liquidate those sellers. Let's see how this is going to go. They're approaching the high, so that could mean one of two things, right? As they're approaching the high, the sellers are jumping out of the market, right? So if the sellers start jumping out of the market and there isn't really any stops to hit or stops to run in that area, then they don't need to go up. They're just going to pull back and accumulate more sellers, right? When they start moving the price back down, more sellers are going to come into the market with their stops above the level, right? So they start pushing down, more sellers come in. As more sellers come in, they push down, and then they come back. They take it out if there is a lot of sellers in the market, right? Remember, the wave that is due right now is an up wave. And they want to bring the price to the upside, but they don't want you to be buying when the price is going up. They want you to be selling when the price is going up. So Pratt says, more than ICT, I wanted to learn how price moves, how market makers drive the market, and you are teaching what I want to learn. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. All right, so sellers were jumping out. Now sellers are getting back in the market, and there is a possibility they push the price back to the upside. And it may come quickly as well. It's a possibility. See that? It started moving fast. You're slowing down a bit. Are they going to go? Or did the sellers jump out again? All right, Pratt says, as new in the market, only thing is I'm struggling to learn. Okay. Well, Pratt, just stick with us. Stick with us. You will learn a lot. Trading is not perfect, especially for day traders. The longer you trade, the more risk you take. So the longer you are in the market, the more possible you can get trapped, you can get caught up. So we just need to understand, let's just go for like the best setup. And we take that trade and you're done. Move on. Next day you come back, you look for your best setup again, you take that trade, you're done. Move on. It's also good to know what side of the market that you're on. Are you going to be on the corrective side of the market, or are you going to be on the impulsive side of the market? This wave that we're looking for is corrective impulsive. It means that it is part of a corrective formation, but it's more on the impulsive side of that formation. So for example, 1, 2, 3, this is a corrective formation. This is the impulsive side of the formation. This is another impulsive side of the formation, right? This, on a lower degree, is also an impulsive side of the formation, but it's on a lower degree. So you need to understand what type of trader you are. Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? So if you're a day trader, you're going to have to go for the bigger wave. So you're going to have to day trade these waves. This one, right? And this one, right? So those are the ones that you're going to look to day trade, and then this is the correction so that you can try to catch the next one, right? Those who are scalping, they're going to look for price to get to this level, try to scalp a quick move, gets to this level, try to scalp a quick move down, gets to this level, try to scalp a quick move up, and so on and so on. They're not looking for big moves in the market, right? Look at what the price is doing right now. Remember I said it would be moving faster to the upside, and it's moving faster to the upside. So this is because they're trying to catch those sellers, take out their stops. Let's see how this is going to play out. Remember, it could be messy, which means they could pull back, go up, pull back, go up. It's going to be messy. We'll see how it plays out. Who else is with me today? If you're with me, just give me a hello in the chat box. I'm getting some charts ready. 1 second. All right, so we're moving nicely to the upside. And we're approaching an A zone to the upside. Price is pulling back again. All right. So this move up is solid. It's almost halfway already. Right? You see this? This was the measurement from our last session, right, Pratt? This was the measurement from our last session where I showed you the projection, which is basically this wave over here that has to come back. It was supposed to come back here, right? See the measurement over here as well? This one is for this wave. And so this one was supposed to come to that level and then go up. So what the market makers did was they just extended the wave down a little bit to take out all of the buyers, take out all of the buyers, all of the buyers from over here, all the buyers from over here, right? They came down and just basically taking liquidity, and now they're pushing the price up to around this level, or this could end up extending to the upside. So we need to look out for that. So we have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. We have hit one of my liquidity map zones. And this is one of those zones that tell us a lot, because if the price goes into correction at this level, which is normally what happens, unless the price pushes out of that zone aggressively, if it goes into correction, it could mean that the price could continue moving up for a while. So this move to the upside could end up becoming extended because there are two possibilities. Let me see if those two possibilities still exist. All right, yeah. So this move to this level is also a possibility, right? Which is this wave. You have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you can get this 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 up. So you get 1, 2, you get 3, you get 4, correct? 5 to around this level, and then the price can go down again. Okay, so that's also a possibility that we need to look out for. Remember, this is an impulsive side, and we have two possibilities, right? We have the short wave, which is this one, and then we have this longer wave, which is also a possibility for that bigger upside move. Okay, so we got to look out for things like that. So the price did react at my, let me go back to the 1 minute. So the price did react at my liquidity map zone, and it just gave a pullback, pushed up. It could go into another correction soon. It's a possibility it can go into another correction soon. And then, based on the move we get at that point, how it forms, we will look to see if we trend that and buy the breakout to continue moving up, right? So if we buy the breakout, we have to look out for the end of that wave, okay? So we're pulling back again. Let's see how it plays out. We have about 7 minutes left. It's pulling back aggressively, so it's rejecting off that A zone, possibly starting that correction now. And remember, guys, I'm not getting involved with the EA. I'm just letting the EA do its thing. It's trading by itself. It has not moved. The price has not moved enough for the EA to close out the trade. It has not made enough profit for the EA to close out the trade either. We're getting a deeper pullback. And if you look at this wave construction, guys, this is 1, 2, 3, right? So this could still go back up like that, okay? So that's what a correction is, guys. If this needs to go down, they're going to have to manipulate the move up and give you something like this and then come down. Okay? Or if they decide to bring this down without giving you a visible corrective formation before the move down, it could be creating that corrective formation on a lower degree time frame, like 30 seconds and so on, which you will not be able to see because with MT4 we don't have a 30-second chart. Remember, the market is fractal, and everything you see on the higher time frames is also happening on lower time frames. We don't have a 30-second chart, but it doesn't mean that one does not exist. So we have about 5 minutes left. Let's see if we're going to be able to walk away with a little bit of profit within those 5 minutes. That's 5 more bars. More like 4 now. They're building that type of sideways move that I mentioned. So one of two things is going to happen. It's either going to break above or break below. All right, the time is coming to an end soon. We have about maybe 2 more minutes left. Price is pushing up nicely. Let's see if we're able to go break that high before it pulls back. We have about 1.5 minutes left. They're kind of showing us that they want to come down, and this may just be a slightly bigger corrective formation where they give us this 1, 2, 3. So if this is going to go sideways, it's going to go up some more. All right. We have less than 1 minute left. They could be looking to suck sellers into the market to flush them out. Just the way how these bars are moving, it looks like they want to do that. But if there is too many buyers coming in, the price is gonna go down. So what they're trying to do is suck the sellers in so they could push the price up some more. All right, we got about 10 seconds left. And that's it, guys. We're out before that big spike. Okay? Or did we were we able to get out before that big spike? Let's see. We were able to get out in time before that big spike, right? So too many buyers in the market, they decided to flush them out, right? And let's see what's going to happen. Are they going to continue pushing the price down, or are they going to start going sideways and continue going back to the upside? Remember, this was a corrective move to the upside. It could be very sporadic. And that wave to the upside could have been also cut short. So we could have had the shorter version, which is this wave here. And they could have also cut that wave short and bring the price back to the downside, and we don't get this wave anymore. Okay? So that's also a possibility. This wave could also still come back later on. So that's another possibility. So we are in a corrective type of move, so we need to be very careful. Or right now they spike the price down, they could still bring it right back up, because remember, this could become very sporadic. It could be very nasty type price action, so we need to be very careful with it. Okay? All right, guys. So I'll be back with you guys later on. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Who's with me right now? I'll give you guys 2 seconds. Let me know that you're with me so that I can give you your vacation package. I know, Pratt, I know that you're with me, right? So you sent me an email already. Who else is with me? Just say hi. I'll give you 2 seconds. I got to jump into another live stream. Okay, so it's just Pratt. All right, guys. So Pratt, I got your email and stuff, so I'll see you guys later on. Bye-bye for now.